Or bright?
Rachel. For Victoria, right?
Yeah.
I don't know if I can remember.
They bring up a different...
Yeah, they bring, I mean, they're different. Like, I could tell the difference. I don't know what Rachel would have done in the clip, or what her performance would have been
Не
like.
знам как ще представи Рейчел в изпълнение.
But I don't know if I can really.
Не знам дали наистина мога да го кажа.
How do you feel about Bulgarian music? Like, can you listen to the sound?
Like the folk music?
Yeah. I'm not into the folk music. And they have a certain look to them. Me and the makeup artist on this film that we're shooting. Well, she just like. I don't know. It's like dark makeup and big boobs. Like extensions and. But you know, there's a couple of like Bulgarian hip hop songs because I watch The Voice all the time because.
Гледах постоянно The Voice, има хип-хоп български изпълнители. Which
there's a girl, she has like black hair and she's wearing a hood.
Yeah.
It's like 1, 2, 3.
Черна коса и носи чулка.
Yeah. But there's one song that makes me laugh. It's like.
Има една песен, която наистина ме кара да се смея.
It's like H.O.T. hurt me and it's hot. But yeah, there's a couple that I like. But that one was just me. Because they're rapping in Bulgarian, all of a sudden, you know, a little part of English comes through. It's like H.O.T.
А какво те се снимаш? Филм?
Като драж.
What's the feeling while shooting a movie? A movie in particular, like Saga?
I mean, it's like my job, so it's not like I don't know. It's just something. It's what I do.
Това е просто нещо, което правя.
But I mean, when I first got cast in New Moon,
когато за първ път така
Kristen said that.
Да, моментото се пробва за роля.
Kristen said that you can't be prepared for what is going to happen in your life.
Криса казала, че не може да се
No, Kristen.
Кристин ни е казала, че никога не може да си подготвена за това, което следва.
Because it's such a like phenomenon, right? All over the world.
По цял свят.
Like I was on the plane and the guy beside, he's probably, I don't know, 45 years old. Like, yeah, and he had a Twilight DVD with him. And
когато е била на самолета, човека поне имал DVD на Новолуние.
Yeah, it just you know hit me like how big and you know international it is.
Как колко голяма е популярността и международна.
Yeah, I mean, first of all, I don't know what's happening with like it. Like I have options to be in Breaking Dawn, but I don't know if like, I will be. It just depends on what writing they do. I don't know. My name is on it. It says that I'm in it, but if I do, yeah. I mean, I don't know what it's about.
Списъка с актьорите, но не се знае дали сигурно дали ще е в Breaking Dawn.
Вампирите какво?
Vampires or werewolves?
Well, okay. They say werewolf, but they're not really werewolves. They're shapeshifters.
Хората казват върхолаци, но те не са точно върхолаци, защото си сменят слово.
So I think it would be cool to be a wolf.
Ще готвим да си folk.
Yeah, and I don't want to live forever.
И аз не съм прочитала вече.
Кога започват снимките на заболяване? Не се ли знае?
She was asking about breaking down when exactly started.
Yeah, I mean, I think Cheska was saying November, but they don't tell us anything.
We know November too.
Oh, it's November too. And then I heard Louisiana.
Yeah. There's a
Strange.
rumor, and there was a rumor about Brazil, I think.
I don't think they would go to Brazil. That's too, to go all the way down to Brazil or something.
No.
Oh, for okay.
Те понимают.
Yeah, I mean, she's very much a part of what's going on. So, Steve. But I asked her if it was, weird for her to see her characters come to life.
Има много неща, които се случват около нея. Аз я питах, нали, как се чувства за това, че героите оживяват на екрана.
And she said for Twilight it was, but New Moon she already was used to.
Било изненадващо за зрачно, за New Moon вече била свикнала. Кой беше първият член от каста, който го срещна?
I met all the wolf pack at the same time.
Срещнах ги цялата наведнъж.
It was really interesting, like how their bodies changed from when they started to when they got their training.
Беше интересно как телата им се промениха от момента, в който започнаха да снимат и до края.
Who's your best friend from the wolf pack and the cat?
Probably Cheska.
Cheska е най-близкият приятел.
Who do you think will perform Renesmee the best? Which actress?
Коя
Някой от България.
Actress or CGI, special effects?
I don't know. I haven't pictured.
Наистина не знам.
In addition to New Moon, which character do you want to play?
Когато си кандидатства за New Moon, за коя роля?
I wanted to play Sam.
What was your reaction when they told you got the part?
I don't know. Like, I mean, I'm happy that I booked a role, but I didn't know what all this was gonna be.
Не знаех как ще се случат нещата.
But I wanted to get Twilight because my little sister was a big fan. So I was more happy that I could take her to the premiere.
И бях много щастлива, че може да заведа на премиерата.
Коя любимата сцена от книгите? Моменти.
Which is your favorite scene from the book?
From the book. My favorite scene from the book?
Part.
Yeah. I don't know if it's favorite, but the story of Rosalie was probably Rosalie. I don't know Rosalie. There's one fan whose name is Rosalie. Rosalie. Her story that to me jumped off.
Може би историята на Роsalie.
But for the scenes in the movie, it's in New Moon where the camera is going around Bella and it's the Possibility song.
Is there any part of the book that you wish to see in the movie?
Yeah, all of Emily and Sam and Leah's story. Like I wish they did that.
Like
visually. I mean, not just for me, because I think it's like an interesting story and there was nothing of it.
за това, за историята между Емили Сам и линията е имала визуално показано, за може да е по-интересно, тъй като според мен историята е интересна, да бъде показана.
Was the premiere in LA much bigger than New Moon?
Беше ли премиерата
Crazier and louder?
Е по-голяма, по-шумна, по-скачена, по-скъмо на Луния.
Yeah, I mean, it was massive, and I think the next one is just going to get...
It looks like award.
Yeah.
Гледаше като награди.
They said that no other premiere for like a movie is as big as Twilight, except for the Oscars and the Emmys and stuff. So, I mean, there was thousands of people, and it was like a stadium where they showed, you know, the film.
Казва, че много хора имало и това няма друг филм, който има толкова много фени, за които да са на самата премиера и било нещо като стадион на място, където се показва филма.
Yes, so many other celebrities were there. I can't remember all the names, but Jaden Smith with Nikki Reed, the photo, she sent it to me. It's really cute.
Има ли някакъв шанс каста да дойде тук за премиерата на Увояване?
Няма да го знае тя.
Да.
Are there also for just girls screaming things like wake up, sunlight?
Има ли много момичета, които виждат скотикащат дръпните саме мои?
If there was, I'd get security to...
Охрана. Дори да имаше. How did you get involved in music? How does it influence your life? How do you feel about it?
I've always played music.
Как започна да се занимаваш с музика, как се повлиява живота ти, как се чувстваш относно нея?
I've always been a part of music since I was like little.
Музиката е била винаги част от живота ми, както съм била много малка.
But I don't think I'm just an actor. I mean, I'm an artist, and artists are very like sensitive people. So
мисля, че съм само актриса, просто съм човек на изкуството, тези хора са много чувствителни.
So we always need to like create and like release emotions.
И винаги изпитваме нуждата да създаваме нещо, да показваме емоции.
Какво ще кажеш за джаз? За джаз. Какво ще кажеш за джаз?
What can you tell us about Jasper?
I don't even know if I've met him.
Не знае дори да ви го срещала.
I've seen his band, like,
Виждала съм
play.
бандата му.
I think I might have met him really quickly in the makeup trailer.
Мисля, че веднъж се засякохме с него много бързо в всякакви правки на там. Да. Is it exhausting to sit and do your makeup for 7 hours?
Yeah.
Изключително ми е да седиш да си правя 7 часа грим.
Emmett? There's a killer.
Is Emmett hot? Yes, he's very good looking.
There are many musicians and artists. Do you get along a lot with Rob and Kristen to do music and Alex to sing?
Do I get along with him?
Yeah.
Yes.
Ами, какво мисли за Хавиер или Хавиер? Не знам как е.
He's a very good looking guy. I don't know him personally, but he did a good job.
Прави много добре.
Oh, but about Jackson?
Но за Jackson?
He's so good looking in Eclipse. I didn't like in New Moon. I feel like he's a good looking guy, but like she's like, I have this poster above my bed. Yeah, see, she's like this.
Дали има Facebook?
No. I hate pink books.
Yeah, me too.
I hate it. High five.
Yeah.
I don't, like, people don't know that, I woke up today. I had eggs. I'm gonna